Surat Al-Fajr, Chapter of the Dawn. In the name of Allah, the Merciful, the Compassionate, by the dawn and the 10 nights, by the even and the odd, by the night when it runs its course, is there in that an oath for a man of sense? Hast thou not seen how thy Lord did with Ad, Iram of the pillars, the like of whom was never created in the country, and Thamud who bore the rock in the wadi, and Pharaoh of the stakes, who all lorded it in the country, and increased therein corruption, so thy Lord poured upon them a scourge of punishment. Verily thy Lord lies in ambush, as for man when his Lord tries him, and gives him honor and bestows bounty upon him. He says, my Lord hath honored me, but when he tries him, and stints for him his provision, he says, my Lord hath scorned me. Nay, but ye do not honor the orphan, nor urge to feed the destitute. Ye devour the inheritance indiscriminately, and ye love wealth ardently. Nay, when the earth shall be pounded small, small, and thy Lord shall come with the angels rank upon rank, and Gehenna shall then be brought upon the scene, then man would let himself be reminded, but whence shall come to him the reminder? He will say, oh, would that I had sent forward good works during my life. Then no one will punish as he punishes, or bind as he binds. O thou trustful soul, return to thy Lord, approving and approved. Enter amongst my servants, enter my garden. And so the soul at peace, again, like the last one talked about stages, then we talk about the end stage. You know, you have the merely animal soul, you have the self-correcting soul, and you have that soul at peace.